Today we are in Orlando. Behind us, Ikea. We did an Ikea video, actually 2 Ikea videos about 3 years ago. One of those being their little cafeteria inside. A lot of people don't realize that Ikea has a little cafeteria, and it's actually, I don't want to say cheap, but it's pretty inexpensive to eat at, and we think it's very delicious food. Somebody asked the other day if we knew of any cafeteria-like places, and I think I replied Ikea, and we thought, you know what, it's been a little too long, so let's show it again. I think they've also added some new stuff since then, but we're gonna go in, show you where you can access the cafeteria, and there's not really like a menu, I mean, it kind of, but it's like a grab and go, and then you tell them what you want, and then you sit down.
It's like a cafeteria.
Like a cafeteria. Also, they have a little snack area too. When we film another Ikea video, we'll show you that portion. I don't think we'll include it in this portion, but we do have a couple videos from years ago of it. We enjoy Ikea. It's always good to eat at the cafeteria before you go shopping because it does take a while to go through. So anyway, thought this would be a fun one, and it's good food. So let's go check it out. One thing about Ikea, they have a huge parking area, rightfully so. It's usually pretty busy. And the front entrance at this location is right there where the yellow portion is. You'll go there and go up the escalator. So to tie into the little snack area they've got, you can see on the sign up here, $1 hot dogs, 90-cent veggie dogs, and 95-cent plant-based hot dogs. They also have pizza and pretzels, but the cafe or the cafeteria is going to be right up here on the second floor, and they've got like regular food. They're famous for their Swedish meatballs, which we will probably get today. They're so good. I said you love them, but I love them too. They're fantastic, and again, pretty inexpensive. We usually get the large portion, and we can look at the hours on the door here. They have several different hours for the actual store and the cafeteria. So you can see the hours, regular store hours, Sunday through Saturday, 11 to 8. The restaurant, 11 to 7:30. The bistro, 11 to 8. Here's the front entrance. This is a new section, now or never. They've got restrooms straight ahead, and you're gonna go up the escalator to the restaurant. Here's a little bit of the previews of the restaurant food. So there's it's still really cheap. The 16 piece, which we normally share, $13. I was thinking it was $16. Yeah, we normally do the 16, which gives us 8 and 8 on the meatballs, and you got 2 sides, and then we share a drink, and sometimes get the little chocolate dessert. So good. But as you go up the escalator, hang right, and right through this way, you have the restaurant. Oh, there's the cake we were talking about. Chocolate cake, $5.49. They've got all of the seating up here for the restaurant. You return your tray through here. Go over here and order. Look, there's a Swedish restaurant. Go over here and order, and then find a seat. Oh, I feel like they've added some stuff up to the seating area, because this looks really, really nice. I'm sure you can buy all this stuff at the warehouse down below. Looks like maybe there's restrooms up here as well. You get your own silverware, drinks. Here's the cafeteria area. So you've got some grab and go stuff here. Start in this line, work your way around. Oh yeah, there's cards for the trays if you've got a big family or you just don't want to carry the tray. Pick your tray up here. You can get these sort of drinks. There's earth water. And then it's gonna be hard to actually show a menu because all of these kind of just like change. But a spicy mustard chicken wrap, egg salad sandwich, Caesar salad, winter salad, and then Timmer is getting the chocolate cake. So a lot of choices in here. Chocolate cake, red velvet cake, princess cake, apple cake, and gooey cake all on one. Cheesecake, salads, so seasonal salads, There's a Caesar salad down there. It's a winter salad or a Caesar salad. We've got the wraps. Had to get another tray. We've got salmon. There's some shrimp. Over here, bread, pastry, croissant, cookies. They also got the kids menu. We're gonna go with the 16 count. Oh, look at that. You can just tell them what you want. We're gonna do the 16-piece Swedish meatballs. They've got the plant-based balls, the chicken tenders, salmon, filet, garlic lemon cod, chicken, falafel, mac and cheese, pasta with marinara. I think that's it. Got fries. We're gonna do what? The mashed potatoes. It comes mashed potatoes and peas. Some pasta, mac and cheese, all of that. Then over here we've got soup of the day. Is that what it is? Minestrone soup? Oh yeah, minestrone soup. You can get some smaller salads, some fruit, and we probably need some dressing. Also, one of the workers over there, ooh, let's try that. One of the workers over there actually watches us, so that was awesome. Applesauce. Hard to hold this tray with my left hand. You can get all of this. Lingonberry spread, ooh. And then, if we're careful, we come over here, you can grab a cup, and then this is where you check out. So you gotta get your forks and knives and spoons over here. They've got ketchup, ranch, barbecue, honey mustard over here on the side. And I think last time they were out of our drink we normally get, so maybe we can show it today, but it's the lingonberry right there. And it's actually good to mix it with pear, right? Look at those fancy glasses. Oh, yeah, that's really good. I'm glad they finally have it back. And their ice, they've got good ice here. We chose this seat right here. Now, we've got the bigger salad, which I guess we could have just gotten the side salad now that we saw it. But here is the full dish with the 16 meatballs. That's plenty for us. So you've got the meatballs, the cake, the salad, and a drink. And for all of that, just $23.41. Now, I will say, if you just stick to the meatballs and just get that, you can get out here for 13 bucks. But when you add a few other things like the cake's like kind of expensive, but it's very good. So you're looking at a meal here for 2 people, $23. Pretty hard to pass up. We're gonna divvy this up here. Now, Timber hates peas. I enjoy peas, so you're gonna eat some peas today, maybe. There's a lot of them there. I didn't have so in the app you've got a little like rewards thing. I did not have it ready, so I wasn't able to scan it. Not a big deal, but just make sure you come prepared. Salad looks good. 2,000 Island. And then the cake obviously we'll save for the end. So let's go ahead and get the drink. The drink's so good. Here's the drink. That is delicious. So good, I could drink that all the time. I feel like they've, I want to say, like freshened it up in here. And you can see the view out of the parking lot. And over on the side over there, you can almost see the mall. And then this is where the escalator's at that we went up. Oh, those are strange forks. You like them? You like them? No. You don't like them? There's the 2,000 Island dressing. That's interesting. Let's dig in. Now, I will go ahead and sample a few things while she's working on the salad. Of course, we all know what peas are like. I enjoy them. And I like these ones specifically too. Now, get the mashed potatoes with gravy. So good. And of course their famous Swedish meatballs. And then they've got their lingonberry sauce here on the side. And just like before, they are still very delicious and very good. Often forget about eating here. I mean, you can literally just walk in, eat, and leave, but it's always fun to look around and see what all they got. I actually think they've updated the store a little bit too, so stay tuned for a future review on that pretty soon. And having the option to get 16 meatballs is totally worth it because that's plenty. I mean, if we both got the 8 count, it's 16, but you're not gonna eat the peas, so we can split the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna try the salad now. I don't think we've ever tried this salad here, right? This seems like a different one. I mean, it's a salad, you know, 2000 Island dressing, but yeah, it's good. You can see the ice cubes are like the round ice cubes. Cylinder, I should say, as Timber corrected me there, and they're good. Now, when we do the outro, I'll let Timber speak for herself, but she doesn't like her food to touch, but this is one instance where she doesn't mind it at all. I don't care, I can just mix it all together, it doesn't bother me. So that was actually plenty of food. We're both full. And we still have the chocolate cake. And then behind us back there, the worker that watches us, she's very helpful, very friendly, and no issues with staff here, and doesn't take long. I mean, it literally takes as long as it takes you to eat the food. It's time for the chocolate cake, but I wanted to show the little Swedish flag here. When Timber gets mad, I always say Hage. Just a little fun fact for you. When we lived in Missouri, there was an Ikea in St. Louis that we would go to, and we'd actually make it like part of our trip when we were flying down to Disney World. So fly out of St. Louis, but before we would go to the airport, we'd stop at Ikea, eat here, and then go to the hotel, spend the night, get up the next day, fly out to Disney World. So that was part of our trip. Let's try the chocolate cake. Very good, very rich, and you don't need a bigger piece than that. That's plenty for us. So $23, happily full. And then when you are all done, you return your tray here. Return your tray and your tray carts right in this little area. And when you're done, if you're shopping, you can go this way shopping. There's also an elevator, but we're gonna go this way. And that is something I forgot to mention, the elevator's on the back side of the escalator. But if we go this way and you want to bypass the store, you just want to come in and eat someday, look, you've got all these treats over here. You can go this way, and there are restrooms up over here. So you'll have to go down these stairs or take the elevator. And of course you're going to be in their like market area, their market hall. But you can also bypass and get to the front, or you just walk really fast through here. You could also have just taken the elevator down and you would bypass all of the area here to walk through. And it doesn't really take you that long to get out here to basically the exit. And this is the checkouts and exit. And just so you know, that is not the actual size of the cinnamon bun for $1.50. And right here, they've got the Swedish bistro. And right over there is where we walked in. And through here's the exit. So what? That was like maybe, 20 minutes? 20 minutes, 30 minutes, $23. We're full. That was that. That was our trip out to the Swedish restaurant in Ikea for a little refresh review. Thoughts?
Good as usual.
Now, again, talk about the mixing of the food.
Oh yes, yeah, I do not like for my foods to touch typically. There are a couple of things that I do, but that, I mix it all together, minus the peas. I did eat one.
You did eat one pea, I saw that, yeah. And I think the main thing is we like shopping here, so it's nice to go in, get the food, be fueled.
And it's different food than you usually get. I mean, burgers and fries and all that.
If you're not fueled for this place...
Ooh, I've been in a state before where I needed a snack.
That's right. Luckily, they've got a lot all around. Also, shout out to the worker there that watches us. Thank you for watching us and saying something. And as a side note, we might have a video very soon of a full tour, refresh tour of Ikea. And if we are wearing these same outfits, we don't necessarily wear the same clothes every single day. It might just be because after this, we're getting ready to film a full tour of it. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned. Go to our channel. It'll be, I don't know what day it'll be, but it'll be a future video. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.